Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable streamer mode in Rust. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, and then we're going to go to the options tab and scroll down to censorship, and here you have streamer mode. So streamer mode basically hides the in-game names of players and your own name included. So if you want the option enabled, you just put it on. So that's about it. Once you've selected the option that you want, just exit out the settings and they will be saved automatically. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.